Hey there, second grade. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another remote learning math lesson with Mr. Enzi. Now, today we are going to be doing something called an exploration. And an exploration in math allows us to explore because it's going to give us a little preview of what's to come. So let's get started as I shrink myself into the corner. Today, we are going to be doing Grade 2, Lesson 1.2, Exploration A, and it's called Base 10 Buildings. So here's what we're going to do. You may remember from first grade, we worked with some of these Base 10 blocks. We had the cube, and the cube was the ones, right? It was just worth 1. And every time we had a cube, we just counted it like we were counting ones. And then we had these things. They were called the long. And the long was when we took 10 cubes and we stuck them all together. And you'll notice that there's still 10 cubes in the long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now in second grade, we work more with the flat. And the flat was made up of 10 longs. So today, we are going to explore the flats, the longs, and the cubes. And we're going to keep in mind that a flat is worth 100. Wow. And a long is worth 10. And a cube is worth 1. So that's important for us to know because when we see flats, we have to count them by hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400. That means I have 400 tiny little cubes that you see. Each flat makes up 100 of them. And when I have my longs, I count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And when I count my cubes, I count by ones. 1, 2, 3. Today, you're going to make a picture using some flats, longs, and cubes. Let me show you what I mean. So you're going to get to explore the Number Pieces app. You'll notice in the Number Pieces app, you will have cubes, longs, and flats. Remember that our cubes are worth 1, our longs are worth 10, and the flats are worth 100. So you are going to make a picture. Now, at the bottom, you'll have some tools here. You'll notice that you will be able to grab any one of these cubes, and look at that. It puts it right in there for me. If I just click on it, I get another cube. If I click on the longs, my longs will appear. If I click on a flat, my flats will appear. So you can see that I can add different shapes. They can go different ways just by tapping on the different base 10 block. So you will have all of those different objects. Now, if I want to clear my screen, you'll notice at the bottom, there's those circular arrows. When I hit those circular arrows, are you sure you want to clear your work and start over? Yes, I'm sure. So now I can go ahead and start over if I want. So I can get some extra practice using this app. So your job today is to draw a picture, or to build a picture, I should say, using your flats, longs, and cubes. So let me show you what I mean. Let me see. Oh, and oh, look what I'm building here. I'm building a picture. And I like what I see. Don't ask me what it is, because I just don't know. I'm just having fun building. So let's say that's my picture. Now I have to find how many cubes did I use? Oh boy. Well, I don't want to have to count every single cube, but I can use my little drawing tool. When I use my drawing tool, it will allow for me to write. I know that this is 100. And this is 10. And this is 10. And then I have 1, 1, and 1. So I have 100. And then I have 10, 20. And then I have 1, 2, 3. So when I take 100 and add 20 and 3 more, I get 123. Now, this is an explore activity. So it's an activity where you're going to get to review some skills from the past and practice some skills that we're going to really need in the future. So, remember, if I wanted to clear and start over, I hit those circular arrows. If I wanted to draw some practice pictures first and see if I can make some fancy designs, I can do that first. But once I have my good design there, I'm going to want to use that drawing tool. I'm going to want to go ahead and count up all of my blocks. How many longs, how many flats, how many cubes, because I want to find out my total value. All right, my mathematicians, you are going to log into your Seesaw activity where you will find the link to go and get the Number Pieces Base 10 Blocks app so that you can practice building with them and finding out how much you used. I can't wait to see your buildings. Have a great day. See everybody soon.